Right, so this was, you had to evaluate x plus 2y squared. So first of all you had to replace x with brackets, y with brackets. So this was x minus 5, and here this was 2. Key that into your calculator, and the answer is 1. Question 2. Simplify. So you had y squared plus 11x squared minus 2xy minus 13x squared plus 8xy plus y to the power 2. Alright, first of all, if you look at the x squared, somebody wrote down, well, that's minus 3x squared. And if we look at xy's, that's plus 6xy. And we're left with y squared plus 2y squared. Now it doesn't matter if you write the 2y squared first and then the 6xy and then the minus 3, it doesn't matter which order, as long as you have them written down. Some people made basic addition and subtraction errors. Question 3. A3, B5, 2, A2, B6. Some people made basic errors here. So first of all, 6 times 2 is 12. Now write down A. So when you're multiplying them, what do you do? Add the powers. And B, when you're multiplying them, add the powers. That's 11. That's question 3. Question 4. There's trouble with this one as well. Right, first of all, we'll deal with the 10 first. So it's 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 is equal to 10,000. And now we've got d to the power of 4. So it's equal to 10,000 d to the power of 4. Question 5. Multiply 3a times 5a minus 2b. So 3a times 5a, 15a squared, and 3a times minus 2b, so minus 6ab. Question 6. Expresses a single fraction. 2x minus 1 over 2 plus 3x plus 9 over 5 minus 3 over 10. The LCM is, everybody, 10. 2 to 10 goes 5 times 2x minus 1 plus 5 into 10 goes 2 times 3x plus 9 minus 10 into 10 goes once times 3. Now we multiply the top line. 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times minus 1, minus 5. Plus 2 times 3x. Plus 2 times 9. Minus 1 times 3. Okay. So if we add the 6x and the 10x we get. And then we've got 18 minus 5 is 13 minus 3. Alright, it can be left like that. Or you can divide all the numbers by, all the numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 into 16 is 2 into 10, 2 into this 10. Okay, it can be written like that, and it can also be written like this. So 8x is over 5 plus 5 is over 5. Okay, it can be written like that. 5 over 5 is also equal to 1. If you got this answer, then you got it all correct. That's question 6. Looking up. Question 7. Six over x plus 1 plus 3 over x minus 7. So on the bottom you have x plus 1 and x minus 7. So if you divide x plus 1 into this, just hide it, what's left? X minus 7. So it's 6 times on the top. Bring down the plus. Divide x minus 7 into the denominator. What's left? X plus 1. 3 times x plus 1. Alright, so 6 times x is 6x. 6 times minus 7. 3 times x. And 3 times plus 1. Add the 3x and the 6x. You get 9x. Minus 42 plus 3. It's minus 39. Right. A lot of people got that really well done. Did that really well. And just got this number wrong. So you got 7 out of 10. If you just went one mistake in the sum, you got 7 out of 10. Question 8. Expand and simplify. Now, people didn't know what to do with this, but we have done these. Right, write it like this. So it's this x times the second bracket. And then plus 5 times the second bracket. Expand means multiply. Alright, so x times x is x squared, x times minus 8. 5 times x, 5 times minus 8. I can add these two. That's all you had to do. And the last one, question 9. Sorry, it's not the last one. Question 9, factorize. Find the factors. The factors of 20 are 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. How do I get a 1? This is a 1. Or minus 1. I use 4 and 5 minus 4 is 1. That's 5x, that is 4x. How do we get a minus 1? I need minus 5 plus 4. This sign goes left, this sign goes right. They're the factors. Factorize. Question 10. Alright, some people made simple mistakes here. Right, first of all we divide 144 divided by 12. This is x to the power 1, this is x to the power. What happens when you get 1 minus 1? Yeah, some people just wrote down the x for some reason. You can write it so you can leave the x out altogether because there's no x's, 0 x's. Or you can write it like that. Right, we'll do the y's next. Y and z 2. So you can write the answer like that, or you can write it like that. Question 11. We have x squared minus 64. Alright, so this is the difference of two squares, this one on top. So what do I write on top? X minus 8, x. What is x minus 8 divided by x minus 8? It is 1. 1. What's 1 times x plus 8? Okay, when you divide something by itself, it's 1. Okay. 12. x squared plus 7x plus 10. Or right, so the same again. What are the factors of this? Well, it's x plus 5 if you work it out, and x plus 2. X plus 2 divided by x plus 2 is 1. 1 times x plus 5 is and the last one, question 13. 2x squared minus 4x plus 2. The factors of 2 here are 1 times 2. The factors of 2x squared are 2x times x. So will you put these in first? 2x and x. And we'll put these two numbers in. So I could try the 2 there and the 1 there, but that won't work. 2 goes there and 1 goes there. Test. It's 1x. And that is 4x. Actually, does this work? Does that work? Can I get 4? No. So I need 2 goes first and the 1 goes second. 2x and 2x. How do I get minus 4? Minus 2 minus 2. Alright. There are the factors. 2x minus 2 and x minus 1.